Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Scholarship Roar YouTube channel. If you want to study in Europe with financial support, today's scholarship is a strong option. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the Romanian Government Scholarship 2026 to 2027, including benefits, eligibility, required documents, and the full application process. The Romanian Government Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship offered by the Romanian government through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. It supports international students from non-EU countries to study at Romanian universities. The scholarship is available for undergraduate, master's, PhD, and it covers major costs like tuition, accommodation support, and a monthly stipend, which is a big reason so many students apply every year. Next is Scholarship Summary. Here you'll see the key details in one place. Level of study, undergraduate, master's, and PhD institution, Romanian universities. Study destination is Romania. Next is the Opportunity Focus Areas section. This is very important because Romania allows many fields, but not all. Fields include areas like architecture, visual arts, Romanian culture and civilization, journalism, political and administrative sciences, engineering, education sciences, social and human sciences, technical studies, oil and gas, agricultural sciences, and veterinary medicine. But here's the key rule. Scholarships are not awarded in medicine, dental medicine, and pharmacy. So if your plan is medicine-related, this scholarship is not for you. Next, the article shows the program period. Undergraduate 3 to 6 years, master's 1.5 to 2 years, doctorate 3 to 4 years. So your program length depends on the degree and the field you choose. Now let's jump to the Romania Government Scholarships application deadline. The deadline for the 2026 to 2027 scholarship cycle is March 31st, 2026. Make sure you don't wait for the last week because document preparation and uploads can take time, especially translations, scholarship coverage. The article clearly lists what the scholarship provides. First, tuition fees are covered, which means you don't pay the university tuition cost. Second, accommodation support is provided in student dormitories, but it depends on availability. Important note, the scholarship holder must contact the host university to confirm dorm conditions and availability. Third, there is a monthly financial aid, also called a stipend according to Romanian legislation. Now, here's what is not covered. The scholarship does not cover international travel costs. It also does not cover domestic transport from the Romanian border entry point to your university. So you should plan personal funds for travel and any additional living expenses beyond the stipend. Next is eligibility criteria for the Romanian government scholarships. This scholarship is mainly for international students from non-EU countries, but the article lists several exceptions. For example, it is not for people of Romanian origin or part of Romanian historical communities, people with protection status in Romania, members of diplomatic and consular corps and related staff, people already receiving a Romanian state scholarship for the same study cycle. Next, your study documents must be issued by accredited and recognized institutions. You must comply with enrollment deadlines and submit the application correctly. Academic performance matters a lot here. You need good results, specifically an average of at least 7 out of 10, or a good score, depending on your country's grading system. There is also an age limit. Not more than 35 years for bachelor's and master's. Not more than 45 years for doctoral or postgraduate studies. So make sure you match both the academic and age requirements. Now let's go to the heading, What is the language of study? This is one of the most important parts of the scholarship. For undergraduate and master's, studies are only in Romanian. This is done to promote Romanian language and culture. For PhD, students may study in Romanian or in a foreign language, depending on the doctoral school. If you don't speak Romanian, the scholarship includes a Romanian language preparatory year before you begin your actual degree. especially for bachelor's and master's applicants. The article also lists who may be exempt from the preparatory year, such as students who already studied in Romania for several years, students who pass a Romanian language test, or those who present a Romanian language certificate, often at minimum B1 level, depending on the rules. Next is the most important part of this video: how to apply for the Romanian Government Scholarships. Scholarship Roar outlines the process clearly. Let's walk through it. Step 1. Complete all sections of the online application form. Step 2. Upload the required documents. The main documents include copies of diplomas, like high school diploma, plus bachelor's or master's if applicable, transcripts of completed studies, birth certificate, passport pages or national ID pages, CV in English or French in the required format, and for PhD applicants, a letter of intent. Now, the article also lists additional documents for specific cases only, such as proof of name change, graduation exam certificates. If you don't have the final diploma yet, certificate from your university if you're in the final year, language certificates if applicable, parental consent declaration if you are under 18, and a very important technical rule. Each document must be scanned individually and uploaded in PDF format. So don't combine everything into one file unless the system specifically asks for it. Website. Scholarship Roar includes the official link section so you can verify details and apply through the correct platform. If you want to apply for the Romanian Government Scholarship 2026 to 2027, this part will guide you through the official application portal, step by step, so you don't make mistakes that can delay or reject your application. I'll show you how to create an account, fill each section, upload documents correctly, select universities, and finally review and submit. Go to the official scholarship portal. You'll land on a page that says, Login into your account. On the right, you'll see a login box with email address and password fields, and a login button. If you already created an account before, simply log in here. If you are a new applicant, let's create your account now. Click Create Your Account, or I do not have an account. Now you'll see a page titled Create a New Account. This form is simple, but you must type everything carefully because it should match your passport details. Fill in first name, last name, email address, password, verify password. Next, you'll see a small validation image, basically a CAPTCHA. Type the characters exactly as shown. Then tick the checkbox for Terms and Conditions Agreement. Finally, click Create My Account. Important note, the system will send you an activation code to your email. So open your inbox and also check your spam/junk folder. Then, activate your account before logging in. After activation, return to the login page, enter your email and password, and click a login. Once you're inside, you should see a welcome page. On the right side, there's a box that says, Start the scholarship application process, and a button, Start your application. Click Start your application to begin. Now you'll see the official application process steps displayed at the top. 1. Personal information. 2. Address and citizenship 3. Upload files 4. Select universities 5. Review and complete submission/application. We'll go through them one by one. Step 1. Personal information. You'll now be on Step 1, Personal information. Here, you'll fill details exactly as in your passport. You'll typically see fields like first name, last name, father's first name, mother's first name, sex, date of birth. On the right side, there may be an age note reminding you that you should be 18 or older at the start of studies, and if not, parental consent is required. Next, you'll see civil status, for example, single/married, etc., occupation, if applicable, workplace, if applicable. If something doesn't apply to you, don't guess. Leave it blank if optional or follow the form's guidance. Always click Save and Verify before going to the next step. This reduces errors. When done, click Next Step. Step 2, Address and Citizenship. Now you're on Step 2, Address and Citizenship. Here you will enter country of birth, city of birth, then passport details, passport issued by country, passport serial number, passport date of issue, passport date of expiry. Pay attention to the expiry note. Your passport often needs sufficient validity. Next, your residence details, country of residence, city of residence, complete postal address, and finally, citizenship. Again, click Save and Verify, then click Next Step. Step 3, Upload Files. Now you are on Step 3, Upload Files, and the first part is usually Studies and Documents. You'll select Desired Degree of Study, Bachelor, Master, or PhD. Do you need a Romanian preparatory year? Yes/no. Remember, bachelor's and master's programs are typically in Romanian, so many applicants choose yes if they don't speak Romanian. Then you'll enter your academic results, for example, your grade as written on your diploma. Equivalent grade to the Romanian grading system. The system often expects something like 7.00 or higher as a good equivalent. Then select Diploma issued by your country, click Save and Verify if the button is visible, then continue scrolling down to upload documents. Now you will see multiple upload boxes with buttons like Browse for the file. Common uploads include Curriculum vitae, often English/French/Romanian. Birth certificate, all pages with content. Passport, usually first pages with personal data. Sometimes optional. Marriage certificate/divorce/name change proof, only if applicable. And further down you may also upload diploma, apostilled/authenticated if required, transcript, and translated versions when requested. Very important upload rules. 1. Upload PDF files only. 2. Usually one file per upload slot. 3. Keep file size within the portal's limit. Many systems show limits like 4 megabytes per file. 4. If the portal asks for a translated file, upload the translation in the specific translated file slot. 5. Scan documents clearly, no blur, no cut edges. Once everything is uploaded, click Save and Verify again, then click Next Step. Step 4. Select universities. Now you're on Step 4, Select Universities, shown as Study Program Selection. At the top, you may see University for Preparatory Year. If you selected that you need a Romanian preparatory year, choose the university from the drop-down. Then comes the most important part. You'll usually have Option 1, Preferred University. Option 2, Preferred University. The page often says it's mandatory to fill both options. For Option 1, select University Study Domain. For Option 2, select again University Study Domain. Make sure your study domain is allowed, and remember, the scholarship generally does not support medicine, dental medicine, and pharmacy, so avoid those fields if they appear. Click Save and Verify, then click Preview your application. Step 5. Review and Submit. Now you are on the final step, Review and Complete Submission/Application. Here's what to do carefully. 1. Review every section: personal data, passport info, address, degree, grades, university choices. 2. Open each uploaded document preview, if the portal provides it, and confirm the files are correct and readable. 3. Look for any missing fields highlighted in red or warning messages. 4. Confirm that your names and dates match your passport exactly. If everything looks correct, the portal will provide a final submit option. Once you submit, you usually cannot edit anymore, so only submit when you're 100% sure. After submission, take screenshots or download confirmation if available, and keep it for your records. And that's the complete official portal walkthrough for the Romanian Government Scholarship application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's applying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Scholarship Roar Guide.